Okay, so in building my business, I really, really, really wanted to build it in a way so number one, I could help a lot of people, and number two, I could spend more time with my family because that is very, very, very important to me. Growing up, we're always taught that you work hard for your money, and that's not true. Not today. You don't have to work hard for your money. You do have to put in a lot of work, but it's kind of like a freight train. And once you get going, yeah, you're shoveling in the coal and stuff, but once that freight train gets going, good luck stopping it. Right? So I'm going to show you guys how to become an affiliate. And affiliate is a way to make extra cash. And to me, this is very, very important because it does bring in steady income as long as you put in the work. It's really not hard. It's like copy, paste, copy, paste. That's all. So the first site that I'm going to give you, and that's just because I'm actually working on them and setting up all of my stuff, is the Temu site. So Temu, you get, I'm just going to show you guys. Up yesterday, and this is what I have so far. You get 20% of commissions, $5 per download, and it is only if they're in your region. So why not? Like, why not? Share it with your friends and family, and guess what? Ooh, you guys are going down. Share it with your friends and family, and seriously, like, you can make extra money. It's not a scam. Like, at first I was super skeptical because I'm like, oh, like, you're taught that money takes hard work. So why is it easy? Right? It's easy. I promise. I'm going to let you guys in on a bunch of these, and I can't wait to show you guys the next one. So to become an affiliate, I'm going to put a link down in the description, and then you just fill out your information. You're going to connect to PayPal. That's what I connected to. I don't like giving out my bank information if I don't have to. I did give it out to like the epoxy company I work with, the pigment company that I work with, and the people that I know. Like, I don't know them, but I've worked with them long enough that I know Jeff at Eye Candy. You know what I mean? Like, I know them. I don't know them, like, but I know them good enough that I know this is a legit brand. I know that I can. Does that make sense? I hope this makes sense. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to click the link below, and you can literally copy and paste. And anybody that downloads the app, you get like $5. And then you get 20% of whatever they buy. So that adds up. Like, that adds up. I just set this up. I made that in 5 hours. So I got $10 an hour on top of whatever else. You know what I mean? And then once it's set up, then it just keeps going. So just saying, if it's something you're interested in, or if you're trying to spend more time with like your friends, your family, life, yourself, the gym, whatever, this is definitely a way to go. So, yeah, it's just a thought. I said that I would share all aspects of my business, and this is one. I wanted to be able to help, and the reality is I don't want to slave in a shop all day. I love my work. I love what I do. But if my family wants to take a 4-day vacation, I want to do that and still get paid. You know what I mean? So why not you too? Okay. I'm going to put the link down below. Click that link, sign up, and you can become an affiliate. And then, like, it's easy. You can review products. Like, say if you bought products from there, you can review them, share that link, and then that gives you an incentive. And then maybe you can go out and help more people. You know what I mean? So that's the whole reason that I'm doing what I'm doing, so that way I can help you, and then you can help people, and then those people can help people, and it's like that snowball effect. You know what I mean? And I love that. So I'm going to drop I'm going to drop the link down below. If you're not interested in joining the affiliate program and making passive income, then, and you want to shop on there, I'm going to put the shop link down there. Like, I buy a lot of stuff from there. It's super cheap. A lot of people think like you're somehow doing a disservice to like Amazon or small business or something like that. But the reality is that a lot of people are drop shipping, and this stuff is coming from these people, and they're a third party. So cut out the middleman. Now, don't get me wrong. I will not be like, there are just some things that you buy. Like, if you know a business makes that and you know it was ripped off from somebody else, I'm not going to the other person. Like, I'm not. Like, nobody's going to give you a cookie for buying off of Amazon instead of Temu. Anyways, I am an Amazon affiliate as well, though. So I'll do a video next and show you guys how to do the Amazon. I'm not an affiliate. I'm actually an influencer for them. So I like both sites. There are things that I find on Amazon that I can't find on Temu, and there are things that I don't trust on one site that I trust on another site. And that's what I'm here to do, is to share with you guys my experience, because the reality is that I'm deep diving into this stuff, and I'm going to take you with me, and let's see where this goes. Okay, so if you want to start earning some passive income and you've got a family and friends list, like I think I got 3,000 followers on Facebook, and those are friends and family. They've got kids, Christmas is coming up, birthdays, weddings, things like that. Like, I've saved them a lot of money being able to share these codes with them and things like that. So why not you? Anyways, that's just my thought process. All right, I'm out. If you are interested in making passive income through Temu and the affiliate link, the link is down below, and I will make videos if you want them to show you how to set up your affiliate account, okay? And then from there, I'll show you what to do. So if you're interested in that, comment down below, and I'll show you guys how I make an extra $4,000 to $6,000. Realistically, like, I've set everything up and I kind of just put it in place and it just goes. If I was to, like I always say, I made a 6-figure business on accident. You imagine what I could do on purpose. I want to do it on purpose. Let's do this on purpose together. Like, let's make this freight train. We can be unstoppable. I'm not hiding nothing. I'm transparent. If you follow me, you know that. So, I don't know. Let's go. We're going to try this out. I told you guys I would let you guys into the business side of things. And the reality is that I'm 38 years old. I have 5 kids. I don't want to miss a thing. I don't want to miss a thing. I want to be able to come in here and create the things that I want to create. I want to be able to get on here and be able to talk to you and help you. I want to be able to go kayaking and 4-wheeling and all of those things. Don't you? Like, all right. I hope this helped. If you actually take the time, it doesn't take long at all. I think it took me like 4 minutes to set things up, if that. And that was only because I couldn't get service for my 2-factor authentication. I had to step outside and reset my phone, and that was it. So it takes minutes, copy paste. Every time somebody clicks that for you, then you'll get like, I think it's $5. I don't know. And then 20% off of their first order. So you can do that shit too. Do it. Why not? Click the link. Try. If it doesn't work, guess what? It don't work. Like, it's gonna work. But if you don't take it any further and nobody clicks your link, like, okay, you just wasted 3-4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. What is that? You could have watched a YouTube short. 2 of them, 3 of them. You could have scrolled TikTok for 3 minutes. But instead, you're taking that time to invest in yourself and to build something for your kids, yourself, your family. You know what I mean? All right, let's do this. If you're interested in seeing more stuff like this, I can actually get in and show you guys how to do it. I'm not like these techie people. This is just a raw ass mom talking to other moms and dads and aunts, grandmas, retired, like whatever. We can do this. If I can do this, I'm not tech savvy. I'm autistic. I have ADHD, and I don't want to miss out on my kids. So let me help you set up your stuff in the same ways that I've set up my stuff. And then we can get this freight train rolling. All right, so click the link below if you want to. If not, and you want to shop and get some really inexpensive shit and cut out the middleman, click that link. There's a code right here you can use for 50% off. And I'll do the next one on the other places that I'm an affiliate. Okay? All right.